Once your book is written, the next step is to think about how it will look and feel in your reader's hands. The size and binding type are not just technical details. They affect how comfortable your book is to read, how much it costs to print them, and how they're perceived in the market. Your book's trim size is the final size of your book after it's printed. If it's too large, then it feels too bulky. But if it's too small, it's not durable enough. Here are the ideal book sizes for different genres. For fiction and memoirs, these are the common sizes used. These sizes are comfortable to hold and work well with most genres. For non-fiction books that include charts, tables, and visuals, the book size needs to be slightly bigger so that the layout has breathing room. Children's books and art books need to be even bigger to make room for larger illustrations and bigger fonts. You also need to factor in production costs because larger and unusual sizes might look great, but they're also costlier to print. That affects your profit margins. So try to balance aesthetics with affordability. Then comes another key choice: paperbacks or hardcovers. Paperbacks are generally cheaper to produce, lighter to carry, and reader-friendly. Paperbacks work well for most genres. Hardcovers, however, are more durable, they have a more premium look, and they're better for gifting. They're ideal for genres like art books, cookbooks, and children's books. However, they're also much more expensive to produce. At Notion Press, we help you pick the best book size for your book's genre. You can stick to market standards if you're unsure, or if it suits your book's content, you can go for a bold choice. Either way, it's your book, and you get to decide what feels right for it. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who'll help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!